Many questions wing in an enthusiast's mind. It is an unending process, and this curiosity provides inspiration for higher research and unfolds many doors of scientific research. It creates a new way of discovery and invention to inculcate the minds of school-going children of the state to learn something new and create curiosity to solve the intricate problems of science. Tata Steel has been doing commendable work since last 6 years.
Tata Steel believe that the YATS program, which encompasses students from around 500 schools spread across the state, it makes one feel proud that our children will grow up to be leading scientists, and some of them will do the state and the country proud.
Tata Steel, in collaboration with Patani Samant Planetarium, Bhubaneswar has been organizing Young Astronomers Talent Search (YATS) since 2007 to popularize the contribution of Patani Samanta and create interest for astronomy among school children. The state level YATS 2012 competition was successful conducted.
ए वर्षर टॉपिक थिला भारतर महाकाश गवेषणा तो से विषय पिला 500 शब्द रे आम पाखु लेखा पठाइथिले तो आम प्राय 65 स्कूल रो 1000 रु ऊर्ध्व आर्टिकल पाइथिले से संदर्भ तो ताकू बेस करके आमे पिला मानन को 8टी जोन रे डाकिथिलो ओडिसा रा विभिन्न स्थान को.
This is the land of Mahamohopadhyaya Chandrasekhar Singh Samanta Harichandan Mahapatra, popularly known as Patani Samanta, who has made Odisha proud in his unique kind of research and its successful application, which had created a ripple in the world of astrophysics. But unfortunately, in his homeland, interest for such a science was waning day by day. In view of this, the steel major Tata Steel is organizing YATS since 2007. Significantly, it has created a positive impact in Odisha. Like the previous years, YATS program 2012 was organized in 3 phases. In the first round, the students were invited to submit a brief write-up. This was open to students of Standard 8 to Standard 10 of all the schools of the state. This year, the topic was India and space research. Shortlisted students were selected for the second round. It was conducted at 8 different towns such as Bhubaneswar, Balasore, Belpahar, Joda, Jajpur, Berhampur, Kenjhar and Jaipur. In this round, the school students presented models and took part in this competition. After the journal round, 129 students were selected from across the state. The 2-day-long final round YATS 2012 competition was held at Patani Samant Planetarium in Bhubaneswar on 12th December and 13th December. Although 129 shortlisted students participated in it and submitted models. Students from different schools of Bhubaneswar and nearby areas and also common people visited the planetarium to have a look at these beautiful designed models. In this round, also a panel of experienced experts evaluated the models of all the 129 participants. They saw their design and asked many questions to individual participants. The experts tried to know how much ideas soaked with imagination they have put in making their models and how serious they were in the project from the young talents. Basing on this, 20 budding astronomers were selected for the YATS 2012 award. On the occasion of 177th birth anniversary of eminent astronomer on 13th December 2012, the closing ceremony of YATS 2012 was organized at Patani Samant Planetarium in Bhubaneswar. Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Nabin Patnaik, paid floral tributes to this legendary astronomer. He visited the exhibition and observed the models prepared by the participants. The students were happy to explain about their models and their functionality to the Chief Minister.
राज्यर विभिन्न अंचल पिला माने आसी एही कार्यक्रम रे भाग नेउछंती विशेष करी आदिवासी अंचल पिला माने एथिरे बहुत संख्या रे भाग नेबा खुशी रो कथा. एस्ट्रोनॉमी और एस्ट्रोलॉजी क्षेत्र रे सामंत चंद्रशेखर को साधना पिला मानन को ए दिगरे आगाई जिबा पाई इंस्पायर करिबो बोली मोर आशा.
A special function was organized on this occasion. Others who graced the occasion included the State Minister for Science and Technology and Sports and Youth Services, Sri Ramesh Chandra Majhi, Sri William Bilong, Director Pathani Samanta Planetarium, Sri Anand Sen, Vice President TQM and KPO, Tata Steel, Sri Sushant Kumar Misra, Chief Resident Executive, Tata Steel, and Sri Subhendu Kumar Patnaik, Deputy Director Pathani Samanta Planetarium. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister Sri Patnaik lauded the efforts of Tata Steel for organizing YATS program, which provides an opportunity to the students in rural and remote areas of the state to exhibit their scientific talent. The top 20 budding astronomers selected by the panel of judges were awarded with Tata Steel Young Astronomers Talent Search Awarded 2012. Receiving this prestigious award from the Chief Minister has made a deep impact on these young talents.
ए एग्जिबिशन द्वारा मु कहबी जे एथरे गोटे माने स्पेस ऊपर गोटे भलो नॉलेज हबो गोटे भलो आईडिया हबो जोथरे कि माने सब पिला माने निजर नॉलेज को एक्सप्लोर करि परिबे जोथरे कि माने तांको फ्यूचर एम को भी से माने बाछि परिबे जे से माने को लाइन ने गले भलो हबा से माने को बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी गवर्नमेंट दोची
एठी के आसला को एते 100 जण पिला आसी चंती आ तांको भीतर कम्पीट करियार बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आहुरी बढ़ुची
पिला माने जे कोनसी साइंस एग्जिबिशन जे कोनसी टॉपिक दिया जाऊ से माने बायोलॉजी ऊपर हो कि फिजिक्स ऊपर हो केमिस्ट्री ऊपर हो से माने निजे निजे बहुत जिनस शिखि जानती तांकर एई आर्ट्स प्रोग्राम करबा द्वारा तांकर एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स ऊपर बेसी इंटरेस्ट आछि
एटा ଗୋଟେ बढ़िया प्रोग्राम या द्वारा पिला मान के मध्य भावर आदान प्रदान हवा संगे संगे विज्ञान रो जो सृजन शक्ति रो विकास तांकर हबो एवं से माने बहुत उपकृत द्वारा हेबे निश्चित.
Truly, the Steel Company's effort for popularization of astronomy has created a new renaissance in Odisha. Tata Steel deserves all credit for this unique effort.